Hello everyone, welcome to this channel again. We are going to find the values of x. So in this video we are going to apply the quotient rule and the identity rule of logarithms to solve this problem. So first step, recall that log x of m minus log x of n is equal to log x of m divided by n. Then next, since we are dealing with log 7, so log 7 of 7 is equal to 1. So from our equation we shall have log 7 of x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1 is equal to 1 is the same as log 7 of 7, since we are dealing with log 7. So from there we are going to equate x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1 to 7. So x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1 is equal to 7. Next step, we are going to cross multiply. So x squared minus 2x plus 25 is equal to 7 into x plus 1. Then we can simplify. X squared minus 2x plus 25 is equal to 7x plus 7. Then we can collect like terms. So x squared minus 2x minus 7x plus 25 minus 7 is equal to 0. So we can simplify this further to become x squared minus 9x plus 25 minus 7 is the same as 18 is equal to 0. So here you have a variety of methods to solve this quadratic equation. You can use bulldozer, you can complete squares, you can also factorize. So me, I'm going to factorize. So I'm going to get any two numbers whereby multiplied you get 18, but when added you get negative 9. So those are factors of 18. In this case it's negative 6 and negative 3. So what we have done, we have just factorized 18. So back to our equation, it's going to be x squared minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. You see how the factorization method is very easy to use. So x into x minus 6 minus 3 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 6. The next step, we are going to verify our values of x. So first one is x is equal to 3. So from the question we had log 7 of x squared minus 2x plus 25 minus log 7 of x plus 1 should be equal to 1. So for x is equal to 3, we shall have log 7 of 9 minus 6 plus 25 minus log 7 of 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to 1. Then log 7 of 9 minus 6 plus 25 is 28 minus log 7 of 4 should be equal to 1. So here we are going to use the quotient rule. So we are going to divide 28 by 4. So log 7 of 28 divided by 4 should be able to give us 1. So log 7, 28 divided by 4 is 7, should be able to give us 1. And from the identity rule, log 7 of 7 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 3 is correct. Then the next value we have x is equal to 6. So here we are going to substitute 6 into our equation. So we shall have log 7 of 6 squared minus 2 into 6 plus 25 minus log 7 of 6 plus 1 should be able to give us 1. So log 7, when you simplify that, you have 49 minus log 7 of 7 should be able to give us 1. So log 7 of 49 divided by 7 should be able to give us 1. Then this simplifies to log 7 of 7 should be able to give us 1. And indeed log 7 of 7 is 1. So therefore 1 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 6 is also correct. So therefore x is equal to 3 and 6. Thank you for watching this video. Just hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video.